Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to record a cash payment on Splitwise. Now the first thing I want you to do is open up Splitwise on your desktop browser because this functionality is not available on the mobile app to record a cash payment. And then just identify the expense you want to record this for. You can find it on your dashboard, your expenses, your groups, or even your friend list. So I'll click on this one right here. And for this hotel bill, I am owed $70 by William. So I'll come and click on that bill, and then we can click here on Settle Up. And then where it says choose a payment method, I just want you to select record a cash payment. Now, you can decide to record a partial payment, let's say $50, or the full amount, which is $70. Now, I'll just go ahead and click here on Save. And there we go. It is a success. Let's click on Show Settled Expenses. Now let's click here. As you can see, this one was recorded as a cash payment. So that is how you record a cash payment on Splitwise.